Alright, so I thought I'd share something real quick that Al's been talking about. And before I go further, you know, this is from Al's trading room. So if you really want to learn more about it, then check out his trading room, and I'd highly suggest joining it. Anyways, pretty strong rally up, and as you can see, it's pretty much wrong part. Alright, let me start that over. So where I'm getting at is this. Here's today's range. Alright. We've had a pretty strong rally up. The odds favored, because of this strong rally, 75% chance that after the first 2 hours of the day, we'd have at least sideways to down trading range price action. And you can see something interesting happened. We rallied this morning, but not that strong, and then we got about a 14, 15, 16 bar microchannel. That's pretty, this selling doesn't look strong, but if you look on a 15-minute chart, it looks like this, and you can see arguably 20 gap bar buy. So the bulls will buy it. This whole way down, Al was saying, the issue for the bears is bulls will start coming in to buy. So he said, in this area, I think you can buy or sell. If you sell, use a wide stop. If you buy, use a wide stop, and you buy more lower. So right now, just on a side note, bulls are trying to get to here. Originally, let's say you bought this low and you bought more above a bull bar here, you're having plenty of time to exit at break even on your entire trade and avoid a loss. But since trading range more likely, or a trading range is more likely than a bear trend, let me put it that way, most bulls will probably get back to this low. That's where I'm getting at. Now, here's something interesting.
R48, the close.
Yeah, so we'll probably get back to this low. Anyways, here's my main point of this video. Whenever you get a strong rally and you get a micro channel, such as here, it's important to notice here what happens at this point. This micro channel, it's strong down, but it's a pullback. It's similar to this chart. And again, I got this from Al's, trading course, or not. I'm sorry, not his trading course, his trading room. So, I highly recommend, if you really want to learn a lot about price action, to get in his room. It's more than worth the monthly fee. So here we had a strong rally, and as you can see, we pulled back, and this one was to 50%, but it's the same concept. Very, very tight, strong micro channel down, pulled back to this, arguably the start of the channel, spike, pullback channel, and the odds favor, a second leg down. You would think there's going to be a second leg down, but it's a pullback on, look right here, it's a tight channel, pullback to the moving average. Pay attention to how strong the rally is afterwards. Here, very tight channel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9 bar micro channel. So the odds favor the first reversal down failing and at least a little more up. And you can see here we clearly got a new high. Let's go back to today. Not a strong of a rally, not a 50% pullback. This is pretty weak looking. Trading range up, sell off, but look how weak this is. 3 bars up, not big bars, not closing on their highs, and then we get a pullback. More bars up, big tails, pullback. So this looks like we are evolving into just a giant trading range, just like this. This whole thing looks like a trading range. So my whole point, in summary of this video, when you get a bull rally that's pretty tight, pretty strong, and you get a micro channel sell-off, it's important to pay attention to what comes afterwards. If you get a double bottom, or you get 3 strong bull bars, or do you get this, where we go up, pull back, go up, pull back. It's not that strong. Alright, so I hope this video helps. And again, you know, I would highly recommend joining Al's webinar, and he'll explain more things like this. He has hundreds of charts that look like this with explanations, and he probably points out about 10 different charts every day. So highly recommend it.